The Glamour Boutique 27 Flower Heart Box presents real preserved roses in a romantic heart-shaped arrangement that feels instantly special and gift-ready. Each rose is treated with a long-lasting preservation process, so the blooms keep their soft texture and rich color for years rather than days. The heart-shaped box itself is sturdy and well-finished, making the arrangement look like a high-end decorative piece rather than a disposable bouquet. Because the roses require no water, sunlight, or ongoing care, this makes an ideal option for someone who loves flowers but prefers a maintenance-free display. The collection offers multiple rose counts and a range of colors, so it is easy to match the arrangement to different personalities, interiors, and occasions. Overall, this preserved rose heart box stands out as a thoughtful, enduring gift for celebrations like anniversaries, birthdays, or Valentine's Day, where you want something more lasting than fresh flowers.